Hi there. This video is for frugal people like me and is about how to get the best room rate at Grand Canyon South Rim and further, how to get the best room for the best price. I'll focus only on the Xanterra properties because they are on or close to the rim. The Yavapai Lodge, run by Delaware North, is a longer distance from the rim. So to do this, first go directly to the Xanterra website, grandcanyonlodges.com. Booking services are no cheaper, and sometimes the Xanterra's website shows rooms available even when the booking services do not. Second, start early. You can book as much as 13 months in advance. Rates are lower when fewer rooms are booked and more expensive the busier it gets. However, maximum room rates are capped by the park. You can expect to pay full price in the busy spring and fall seasons, as well as on holidays and 3-day weekends. But you're watching to see how you can get the best deal, and even in this era of inflation, you can still get an advance booking for under $100. Xanterra has two annual sales, the Christmas in July sale, this year from July 16th through 30, and the Cyber sale, generally starting the day after Thanksgiving. These sales discount the existing room rates, including the seasonally adjusted room rates, by another 30%. The first thing you want to do is read the fine print for the dates covered by the sale. For example, July 18th, 2025 to March 12th, 2026 for this year's Christmas in July sale. You'll need to manually enter the code in your room search. Xmas July and Cyber have been the codes in recent years. Not all rooms are discounted at all times, but in the slow season, you can get the best rates. Here you can see in early December, almost all rooms are discounted before the holiday rush begins. Save some time and decide in advance the type of room you want. I have a video that will help with that choice. I generally stay in the Bright Angel cabins if no discount is available, and the Maswick North rooms when a discount is. The Bright Angel cabins are cuter and closer to the rim, but they have no air conditioning, parking is sometimes difficult, and they have no air, plus they are noisy. Maswick North rooms are larger, have easy parking and air conditioning. I have two videos on this topic. On the website, you can click through to find the room you want, then click the calendar to see the various rates available for that month. You can advance that calendar throughout the year. You can do the same thing on the Bright Angel cabins to compare the prices for your preferred travel dates. I'm a frequent visitor and spend most of my time in the canyon, so a view room is not important to me. But if you want a view room, the best is the partial rim view with fireplace at Bright Angel, of which there are 4 available. You can get some discounts on these popular rooms as well. Reservations require prepayment of the first night's charge, but are fully refundable up to 48 hours before your stay. So that's it. The current rack rate on the Maswick North rooms is $347 a night, scheduled to go up to $357 next year. But with a little work, you can get the same room for as low as $97 a night. All rooms are subject to a 6.9% tax. I hope you enjoy your visit to Grand Canyon, and thank you for watching.